Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'll show you how to display image captions on hover in WordPress using a plugin. By the end of this video you'll be able to add attractive hover effects to your images, making your site look more interactive and professional, no coding required. If you want your gallery, portfolio, or blog images to stand out and engage your visitors, you're in exactly the right place. So let's dive straight in and get started. First, let's talk about why using a plugin is the best route for beginners and even more advanced users. Plugins offer an easy, user-friendly experience and come packed with pre-built hover effects, so you can focus on customizing your site rather than worrying about writing code or troubleshooting errors. Plus, plugins are regularly updated to keep up with WordPress changes, so you don't have to stress about compatibility. Alright, let's install a plugin that handles image hover captions. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and look for plugins on the left sidebar. Hover over it and click Add New. Now in the search box at the top right, type in Image Hover Effects. You'll notice several great options pop up, but for this tutorial you can use either Image Hover Effects or Image Hover Effects Ultimate. Both are popular and beginner-friendly. Find the one you like and click the Install Now button. It'll take just a few moments. Once it's finished, don't forget to click Activate. Activating is a crucial step. Without it, the plugin isn't actually running on your site. With the plugin activated, you'll see a new menu item or link for hover effects in your dashboard sidebar, usually labeled something like Image Hover or Hover Effects. Click on that and you'll be taken to the plugin's settings or main interface. This is where the magic happens. Look for a button or tab that says Add New or Create New Effect. Clicking this brings up the options to create your very first hover effect. Here, where you can get creative. The plugin will ask you to upload or choose an image. This is the picture you want to display on your page. Below or beside that, you'll find a space to enter your caption text, the message or description you want to show up when visitors hover over the image. Take your time here. Clear, catchy captions can make your content shine and help guide your viewers. Next, you'll see options to choose a style for the hover effect. This might include different animations, color overlays, or even icon transitions. It's worth previewing a few of these to see which one suits the look and feel of your site. Don't worry if the choices feel overwhelming. Remember, you can always go back and change them later. Some plugins even let you tweak finer details like text color, font size, or hover speed. Adjust these settings until everything looks just right. After you've finished setting up your image and caption, the plugin will generate a unique shortcode. This short piece of text looks something like Image Hover Effect ID equals 123. All you need to do is copy that shortcode. They usually include a copy button to make this step easy. Now decide where you want the image caption hovering effect to appear. Open up the post or page in WordPress where you want to add your enhanced image. In the editor, simply paste the shortcode right where you want the effect to show up, just like you'd paste any text. When you preview or publish the page, you'll see your image, and when you or your visitors hover over it, the caption pops up with the style you selected. If things don't look perfect on the first try, don't worry. You can always go back to the plugin settings, refine your choices, and update the shortcode, no stress. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly and easily display image captions on hover in WordPress, using a plugin that handles the hard work for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave any questions in the comments below. I'm always happy to help, and be sure to subscribe for more practical WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.